Hey everyone, we're Total Atomic Conservation. We're Laurel,
Owen,
Caitlin,
Sarah,
and
Julia. Team Total Atomic Conservation's DIY project consisted of cleaning areas in our community by picking up litter. We cleaned both trails of Kestrel Land Trust's Poddick and Catherine Cole conservation areas, as well as the areas around Franklin Dining Commons at UMass Amherst. Our mission for this project was to reduce the environmental impact of humankind and prevent further damage on the ecosystems. We decided to do this work to set a good example for our community and advocate for change.
The two trails were established in the early 70s and combined are about 90 acres of land. The trash left on these trails can harm wildlife and contribute to the pollution of waterways. According to National Geographic, about 8 million tons of plastic is brought into the ocean yearly, which is equal to the weight of 615 elephants. On campus, we dispose of about 3,000 tons of trash per year to the Holyoke transfer station. It then goes to the South Bridge landfill. One major issue with landfills is that they produce lots of methane gas, which is one of the most potent greenhouse gases. As a community at UMass, it is important for us to know where our trash is going and how to create less of it.
civic engagement consists of individual and collective actions that promote the quality of life in a community. As members of a community, civic engagement helps you and your neighbors address a wide variety of issues, and it is especially important when considering environmental health because staying eco-friendly takes the effort of not just one, but every member of society.
environmental leadership is essential in this present time. In order to preserve natural resources such as clean air, water, and environmental biodiversity for future generations, action must be taken in the present to promote beneficial practices and policies, as well as actively motivating others to make changes at more local levels. This environmental leadership experience has enabled us to engage with the surrounding environment at the individual and community level, showing that positive changes for the environment don't always need to be taken in the form of massive, grandiose programs. A few choices and actions shared amongst the collective individuals can have just as significant an effect. After all, progress towards a more sustainable society can be achieved both at the individual and global level, and every contribution makes a difference towards that goal.
there's no better way to make a huge contribution to heal your local environment than simply getting your hands dirty and picking up trash. Together we cleared hiking trails and our lovely campus. Nothing felt more rewarding than the trash bag getting heavier and heavier as we cleaned. In natural resource conservation, environmental leadership is extremely important to achieve the goal of a green Earth, and we can make that possible if everyone makes even a small contribution to a more sustainable lifestyle.